Funky D, everybody. Welcome back once again to Funky D1 of Canada. Ladies and gentlemen, the matter when we want to talk right now, we no go keep too much time. But this matter, we know that former governor of Lagos State, what they call Bola Tinubu alias Jagaban, when they claim say when carry 2 billion van, I be 3 billion, not be 2, ladies and gentlemen, now 3 billion van. They not agree show us one well, but we don't see, say na 3 billion van. When we see this man carry what trillions of dollars, they inside this billion van, nobody yan. Because say then they above the law. Funky D say Bola Tinubu, they above the law. Sure you get. So now this Bola Tinubu and his wife matter. Now Funky D get for now today because another one don't happen. According to Charlie Boy, say another guy man don't want enter. That is Atiku Abubakar. All of them are guy men, ladies and gentlemen. Although that's in Charlie Boy, now somebody when be say in his word, not they hold any water again. Since when Funky D don't find out, say himself was past Atiku Abubakar. Because all those time when him papa be waiting him be in that country, ladies and gentlemen, now the same thing when then they do behind closed doors. That they go carry money from politicians. After they go tell us, see, Charlie Boy worth 200 million. Waiting Charlie Boy do to worth $200 million. So all of them not well. So we could begin talk about this Bola Tinubu and his wife matter. Gonna remember. Funky D so no remember what thing happened during the time of this their 2019 civil war presidential election where they do. So when Bola Tinubu come, they tell Igbo people, see, they must to vote Jubri. If they don't vote Jubri, make them go back to where they come from. When be Ebola. See, they not go allow them. In fact, Bola Tinubu come move ahead. Go lock one market where they call. Bola Tinubu can go ahead. So Bola Tinubu can go ahead. Say, in Congo lock one market because Igbo people, you see Igbo people, they not vote for Buhari. And the Buhari people can see, since the Southeast people, when be the Igbo people, they not can vote for Jubri, see, they not go get any single position in anywhere. And now so it happened. Make you not see people when don't wear military uniform, come pull up, can still continue from there. Abba Kyari himself when be chief of staff, when they claim president now, all of them they be military people. If you don't know before, you don't know right now from Funky D. Abba Kyari, now former military officer. All of them. Okay? Now, Bola Tinubu wife don't come out. Now him make with the tell the Yoruba people. We don't tell the Yoruba people. Or people when they Lagos or wherever they. We don't tell una. Make una stop to the support Fulani people. Make una stop to the support somebody like Bola Tinubu. Make una reject this one Nigeria thing. It's a scam. It's a scam. Reject Bola Tinubu. Reject this one they call Osebanjo. Reject this one they call Obasanjo. For under this one Nigeria thing. This one a big scam, ladies and gentlemen. This woman now when be Bola Tinubu wife now, when be senator they call Olorunmi Tinubu, when they represent Lagos Central Senatorial District, and the wife of the former governor of Lagos State, when be that same Tinubu himself. Don't come out. Can they tell the Yoruba people? He tell them clean and clear. Say them be lazy people. Lazy Yoruba youth. Now so it talking. Say them be lazy Yoruba youth. When they come, they begging husband money. Say ain't not they happy for any Yoruba fake youth. Any Yoruba lazy youth to come to the beg them husband money again because they're not worth them. Say Yoruba people in general, na so you talk people when they go beg them money, they're not worth nothing to them. This one a person when the Yoruba people don't help do wuru in 2019 election. Even, in fact, this one at the third time now, this same woman, no, they represent this same district. This one at the third time. Now only then they Nigeria. Now only una be Nigerian people. Now only una money and power they sweet. So, ladies and gentlemen, this Bola Tinubu wife, they come out now, they tell the world, say, Yoruba say them be lazy youth people. Them be lazy people. So, then they know if they give them job, they know they want do it. But they like money. Say they want make money like people when they abroad. Say, why can't be so? They no go give them money. May they not come to the meet in husband again to beg money. But these people, when this young woman, when be Olorumi or whatever she call herself, these people, when she they condemn in the Senate house, now they talk this thing. This when she they condemn, now them help this young woman and her husband rig this 2019 election. Togri, now una they do for these people. Everything, una they listen to this man, this same man, when we don't know the face, when he want to represent Nigeria. Because this they are chanting of 2023, ladies and gentlemen, not be today. In fact, this thing begin happen in 2015 when Buhari come in. When come be say na Jagaban them and Mechi them na their sponsor. So this one na their plan. If Jagaban come out now today, you go see say if he choose somebody like Amechi, because now all of them they do the same wuru. You go see say Amechi go see support her because all of them are the same thing. So tell me now, this woman don't tell her say make her leave herself and her husband alone because they can't they beg them money. So to own say now until when I go leave these people when I don't call their names right here. Now that time una no go see progress. Una won't be Yoruba people. If una continue to follow Bola Tinubu, even Bola, let's say for example, Bola Tinubu still win now. Let's say he win, then do uru, then rig. Let's say in 2023, if it happen, then do uru, Bola Tinubu come win. But God forbid, APC and PDP era is gone. You understand? That one is sure. But let's say for example, if this Bola Tinubu win, there is nothing when Bola Tinubu will still do for you. Everything go even worse. Bola Tinubu at that time now he go claim say everywhere in Lagos, every land in Lagos, everything that belongs to Lagos people, the indigenous of Lagos state, say na him own. Because I don't see what he don't do and what he don't acquire when him be governor. Even after when him be governor. Okay, look at what happened now. All of them are APC. Look at Ambode now. They run heta scatter. Bola Tinubu, now him bringing Ambode, now him push out Ambode, now him bringing Sanwo-Olu. The same thing now when Ambode see, now him Sanwo-Olu go still see 2023 because Bola Tinubu don't project his son to become Lagos State governor come 2023. So when him na president and son na governor. So not until when I go say no to Bola Tinubu, no to all these old people when they rule us the come since 100 years, una no go get freedom, una no go get peace. Una when be Yoruba people, Yoruba politicians, when they support the northern cabals, when they support the northerners, not only cabals, when they support the northern politicians, una no go see better thing. Because now this Bola Tinubu them, now then they hinder on progress. Now then spoil things for Nigerian people in general. Okay. The same way when Bola Tinubu bring in this man, I repeat, Ambode, he push Ambode, he bring in Sanwo-Olu. Sanwo-Olu, the same thing when Ambode get, now you go, they get 2023. So make you not worry, your time they come. Make you just the shine. You understand? Okay. The same way, this same Bola Tinubu, ladies and gentlemen, now him introduce this guy, what they call Osebanjo, to the Northerners. The same Tinubu again, now him they put string. In fact, now he wants to push out this Osinbajo, because when they go ask Tinubu question, Tinubu say Osinbajo deserve waiting in the sea. Say anything when Jubri talk, anything when Aso Rock Villa talk, he go follow him up like that. Say na so it be. He no go, we not get anything to yarn. But underground, na the him they do am, because according to the news when they hear, then they talk say Osinbajo won contest in 2023 as Nigerian president, and the Tinubu won contest in 2023 as Nigerian president. That is what I see. That is the reason why I see Osinbajo now is under fire. So, ladies and gentlemen, now so the matter be, I say make una not give respect to these people, make una not chant their name, make una not support them with anything. In fact, if you see snake, see somebody like this man, what do they call Jagaban, and all these politicians, first of all, deal with that politician first before you begin talk about the snake, because the worst pass snake. All of them worst pass the snake. So you have to, give them better treatment that comes from your mind first before you go face that snake, because they are dangerous people. I mean the politicians. How this kind of woman go come and they talk, say, okay, money when they beg on now. When you see they claim now, say them beg your husband money. Your husband not get any money. Now Nigerian people money when in thief. Now Nigerian people money when in loot during the time when in the office, and after when they don't come out for office. So which one be see that they come beg your husband? You get money when your husband get? I be the 2 billion van when we don't see koro. Now your husband 3 billion van. Now your husband get huh? Tell me how an individual go they use government thing to they go they siphon money, and they say you know if you transfer so amount of money come up for this country, you know if you carry so cash of money in your bag or with you in the country, but then they carry billion van. In fact, Tinubu don't claim say not be politician. Okay, you not be politician. What do you they do with 3 billion van that belongs to the government? No money full inside. In fact, with that word when Tinubu talk, with that when he talk, say not be government, say nah, it not be government, they're supposed to prosecute Tinubu instantly. So make una stop to the deceive on ourselves. Yoruba people, I don't beg una before. I don't tell on before. Nigerian people from Kidisin don't beg everybody before. I don't tell on say it better make we unite to face these people than say we they divided. Nigerian people too they divided. And with this division, this kind of division, if we not continue, Nigeria will never ever see light. They will never ever see progress. If this kind of division continue, APC will continue to the lead Nigerian people. PDP will continue to deceive Nigerian people. But when they see, because I know see when they share that their money, I repeat, they're not they say that this one Hausa man or this one a Yoruba man. I mean the politicians. Then they cooperate 247. That we not they collect and now we get the thing. We not they collect, and then we make they fight each other. Their propaganda be say make Igbo man they fight Yoruba man, make Yoruba man they fight Igbo man. Now be their propaganda. Now be the thing when they and so it be. So make we unite, make we stand with one voice. If we not stand with one voice, now so Nigeria will continue to they be. And nothing will ever change. You will never see light, you will never see electricity, you will never see road, you will never see nothing. The only thing when you will see very soon, na Ruga. Because Ruga, 95%, they don't perfect them. So ladies and gentlemen, make we leave this man matter, make we go to OBJ matter. OBJ don't come out. OBJ then when be saying that spoil that nation, when be Obasanjo again, don't come out and they advise people. When we say them come back from South Africa, say make them prepare to go back to South Africa. When they know say that they do xenophobia there, then they kill Nigerian people, then they burn Nigerian people alive, koro on camera. South African president, they not give a damn. They not give a hook. They not send you. They just want to make their people kill all the whole foreigners when they that nation. So now, Obasanjo don't come out, come talk, see, make people when don't come back, make them prepare to go back. As he say, na him be their papa. Obasanjo from Kidisi na because of una make people that South Africa, they receive unnecessary torture. So, the issue when they there to Obasanjo, my advice to you be see, if you like South Africa, carry your other farm, carry your family, carry everything, go live for South Africa. Just put up for your head. Everything, your other farm, carry and put for your head with your everything when you get in that nation. Carry and go dump am for South Africa. And you begin living in South Africa and leave people when they run for their dear life alone. This is a very, very wrong advice, ladies and gentlemen. For Obasanjo to come and come to say, don't go meet South African president when be Ramaphosa. He don't discuss with them. They don't settle things. They don't settle their scores. They do this, that. Obasanjo, you be evil man. Now you spoil Nigeria 2 times. You don't rule that nation. You don't have nothing to account for. No achievement. Nothing. The money where they give you $16 billion for that matter for electricity. You carry this money, you and Atiku Abubakar, una choking them, una share them. 2019 never reach. Abubakar where you say, na him be this, na him be that. A fight will not be better person, a thief and a criminal. He go take everything when belongs to Nigeria. Atiku Abubakar can kill for money. Everything you don't tell the world. They say at the same time, same Obasanjo, ladies and gentlemen, go bring this man when they call Atiku Abubakar. When they don't let us know, say Atiku Abubakar na criminal. Go bring this man, say, make him contest. So that, then go continue from where both of them stop before. Now, Atiku don't lose. Shame to you, Obasanjo. Shame to Atiku Abubakar. Shame to APC people. Shame to PDP people. So if you too like South Africa, go there, go romance South Africa. Go live there with South African people. Carry your farm for head. You go, your family, you go. People, they run for their life. Obasanjo, they come and they tell us, make them prepare to go back again. Abi, you know they see the xenophobia. Abi, you know they see the bad treatment when South African government and South African people and South African hooligans, South African thugs, the treatment where they give your Nigerian people. So if you like South Africa, you when be Obasanjo, carry your thing, go there, go live there. Now, una put us this one, the one when we day today. So ladies and gentlemen, this one a very, very wrong advice. When they say they want to evacuate Nigerian people when they live for South Africa, when they run for their dear life, when they say they want to evacuate them, or say Banjo not bring out a dime, or say Banjo not bring out anything to help those people when they suffer in South Africa. Now, Igbo man, when be Onyema, when get the Peace Airline, now be the only person when, because, in fact, I commend this man. I say, God go bless you, Onyema, for bringing down these people when they suffer in South Africa to Nigeria. Or see, Obasanjo not contribute nothing. APC government led by Jubri, Abba Kyari, Mamadaura, they not contribute nothing. They not give them nothing. No support, nothing. Now, Obasanjo went on loot trillions from our treasury. They advise, this is a wrong advice, ladies and gentlemen. They advise people, see, make them prepare to go back to where then they killed them. Because now this thing, they tell on when be Nigerian people, now this thing when the government want, they want us all killed. They want all of us out from that nation. They want all of us out. That's why you see people, they die in Mediterranean Sea. Nobody they yarn about them. Nobody they say a word about them. That's why I say, make we use one voice, stand, speak out against the oppression of 200 million Nigerian people. Now this thing when she already fight for, when APC say in commit treasonable felony, as them talk. Now the thing when they fight for, to make sure see all of us get equal rights. But APC people say no. PD people say no. But if the man they fight, the right fight when be Sowore, I say Sowore must to come out. Sowore must to come out. because we know say now the right thing when Sowore they talk. Now the thing in one liberate 200 million Nigerian people. All these good things when the man don't even do, even before. Now these people now, the democracy when Sowore fought for. Now these people now, they want kill Sowore, they want execute Sowore, they want keep Sowore forever inside jail because see the man they speak out against the impunity when the same government, led by Abba Kyari and Mama Daura, they do. In fact, the people when start all this bad thing now them Obasanjo, this same Obasanjo, old man. So if you don't know what you want or the kind of advice when you want give your people, when be your people, make you go sit down, Obasanjo. Because this one not be advice. You want make people go back to where they kill them, where they execute them, where they burn their life. You no go better for now when be APC and PDP. You know, must to receive on our own. The more I continue to detain no more in the show, the more that Aso Rock go they scatter them more. Aisha Buhari now don't run. The next thing now Bakari and this man, Mama Daura and the Jubri, then go take off. You go here see they're not dead again. Funky D. So ladies and gentlemen, I say we will stop here. Obasanjo. Then to Bola Tinubu wife. I see on our time they come. Now that one when I get for you. Funky D, one of Canada. So ladies and gentlemen, make una dey subscribe. Make una dey subscribe. So that we go dey grow. So that we go dey plenty. So that when we dey speak, then go hear our voice. Amen. Now Funky D main they speak. Understand? So make una not forget to dey send me comments. And they like on a comment. Now I know say on a comment now they keep me going. Now make me stay here today. You understand? God bless you all and one love. Funky D worldwide.